Okay, so hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss one more question from the previous year CSIR net, which was in 2018 June. Okay, so the question says the electric field of a plane wave in conducting medium is given by E zt is equal to I cap E naught e to the power minus z 3a cos z under root divided by root 3a minus omega t. This is the electric field of the plane wave. Okay, and the wave is traveling in a conducting medium. Okay, so the question is to find the phase difference between the magnetic field B and the electric field E. Okay, so basically this is related to the question that the propagation of electromagnetic wave in conducting medium. So we have a question, we already have a video in our channel related to the propagation of regarding the propagation of electromagnetic wave in a conducting medium, right? So when the before going to the question, I will just discuss a little bit about the conducting medium, the propagation of electromagnetic wave in conducting medium. So we know that when the electromagnetic wave propagate in a conducting medium, the equation is something like this: E zt is equal to E naught e to the power I kz minus omega t, right? And B, the magnetic field is also B naught e to the power I kz minus omega t. Okay, so where these are the complex amplitudes, complex E naught and complex B naught, and also the wave vector is here complex, and this this complex means that k is the wave vector is complex here, so that is something k1 plus, I can write k1 plus I k2. So this complex nature of the wave vector, the imaginary part, result in an attenuation of the wave, or we can say decrease in the amplitude. So you can refer to that video which is there in our channel, that is propagation of electromagnetic wave in a conducting medium. So I have already discussed this elaborately in that video. So which due to this imaginary part, or this complex nature, imaginary part or complex nature of the wave vector, k, there is an attenuation of the attenuation of the electromagnetic wave. Okay, so there is an attenuation. So that means when the electromagnetic wave enters in a conducting medium, the amplitude gets attenuated, and when the attenuation becomes when the amplitude becomes 1 by E times, that distance is known as our skin depth. Okay, I hope you guys know this. This known as the skin depth, which is equal to D is equal to 1 by K2. This 1 by K2. Okay, so this is my the electric field and magnetic field in a electric field and magnetic field in a conducting medium. So if I will substitute this here, I hope I will get here EZT is equal to, by substituting the complex form of this wave vector, I will get here E naught e to the power minus k2z e to the power I k1x minus k1z minus omega t. Okay, if I will substitute here, this becomes k1 plus I k2. So here I into I gets the second part gets I into I, here will get a minus 1 I square, and that will get minus 1. So this becomes non-imaginary, so I can take that outside, and this becomes e to the power I k1z minus omega t. Correct? So this is the electric field in the conducting medium. So similarly I can write the magnetic field as Bzt, that is equal to B naught e to the power I k, that will become B naught e to the power minus k2z e to the power I k1z minus omega t. But if I will write in terms of E, that will become E naught k vector by omega. Okay, and this becomes same, this k2z e to the power I k1z minus omega t. So how this becomes means, like we know that B is equal to B naught is equal to E naught by C, and we know that K is equal to, like if we'll see, K is equal to omega by C. So from there I can substitute omega by k bar for C. Okay, so here I got this for B vector. Okay, so my complex amplitudes are like we can write the complex amplitude as E naught is equal to E naught e to the power I delta E, and B naught is equal to amplitude of B naught, that is complex form, B naught e to the power I delta B. These are the phase of E and phase of B. And similarly this we know that this K is as this K is complex, I can also write it in terms of exponentials form, that K e to the power I phi. Okay, where phi is the phase difference. Phi is the phase difference. So if I'll write in terms of they are related by, if I'll do that, okay, so here we goes, B naught e to the power I delta B can be written as, that can be written as k bar by omega E naught bar, like E naught e to the power I delta E. So this k bar is nothing but also k e to the power I phi. So I can write this as k by omega e to the power I phi E naught e to the power I delta E. Okay, because B naught can be written as k bar by omega E naught, right? So from that E naught bar, and if I write B this is, we know that B naught bar is equal to k bar by omega E naught bar. Okay, so B naught bar is in term of phase. The amplitude can be written as B naught bar equal to B naught e to the power I delta B. So and k bar can be written as k e to the power I phi in terms of complex exponential, and E the complex form of the amplitude of the electric field also can written as E naught e to the power I delta I. Okay, so from this I can write this delta B minus delta E is equal to phi, where this is my phase difference phi. Phi is the phase difference. Okay, so what does that mean? That means if I will just see this part, okay, delta E, here I phi, here delta E, and here is delta B. Okay, so again E naught by k, here I can just simplify this one here. So B naught e to the power I delta B is equal to k by omega into E naught, also becomes B naught e to the power I phi e to the power delta E. So this gets cancelled, and from that I can write here E I, here is I also there, so I phi plus delta E, and this side I have I delta B. Okay, so from here I can write this equation, delta B minus delta E is equal to phi. So this equation says B always, for a conducting medium, when the electromagnetic wave travels in a conducting medium, B always lags behind E. B always lags behind E. Okay, for a conducting media, remember this point, that B always lags behind E, right? So and up to this, okay, now we have to find out the phase difference. So we have the question E, okay, and remember this phase difference phi is equal to tan inverse K2 by K1. As we can know, when there is a complex number like we have K1 plus IK2, from this I can find out phi, the phase difference between the E and B is tan inverse K2 by K1, right? So we have E, we have to just identify what is K2 and what is K1, then I can get my answer. So E is equal to, here is our question, so E is equal to here I E naught माइनस जेड बाई 3 है, आई ई नॉट ई टू द पावर माइनस जेड बाई 3 है, लेट मी आई ई नॉट ई टू द पावर माइनस जेड बाई 3 है कॉस जेड बाई रूट 3a minus omega t. I hope this is, let me check one more time. Okay, good. So now I can write here like, see, so this is my K2 part. If I will remember, if I will compare this with my equation here, so with this one, okay, my K2 is 1 by 3a and K1 is 1 by root 3a. So if I get here phi is equal to tan inverse K2 by K1, that becomes 1 by 3a divided by 1 by root 3a. So this gets cancelled out. We get tan inverse 1 by 3, 1 by root 3. So here I get 1 by root 3. Okay, so this becomes 1 by root 3. Okay, so I hope, okay, so the root 3 by 3, so that becomes 1 by 3. So this is nothing but my tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to 30 degree. So my answer is B always lags behind. As we know, for a conducting medium, as we have discussed that B always lags behind E. So we found out the angle, and the angle phi, which is the phase difference between the electric field and magnetic field, this becomes 30 degree from this formula tan inverse K2 by K1. So my answer will be this one, like 30 degree, the phase difference between magnetic field and the electric field is 30 degree, and B lags behind E, because as we know, always in a conducting medium B lags behind E. So this is not my answer, okay, and this is also not my answer, because here E lags behind B and here also E lags behind E. So we have to choose between this one, and to find the angle we can use the formula tan inverse K2 by K1. Okay, so that's it. So okay, I hope you guys are well and good, and we'll discuss one more question in the next video. Till then, take care. Okay, see you then.